What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be going over how you can start promoting Clickbank products using Facebook ads and not get banned. Now, if you're new to Facebook marketing or Clickbank affiliate marketing in general, you might be asking, why do I need to figure out how not to get banned? And well, if you've been in the media buying space within the last 4 to 5 years, you know how frequently Facebook likes to ban their advertisers. And a lot of the times it has nothing to do with what you're promoting or what you're doing. The Facebook banning algorithm is just very sensitive, and they tend to ban advertisers for sometimes no reason at all. And this is even if you're 100% compliant with all of their ad policies and you're following everything to a T. Now, the thing with Clickbank is that a lot of the products on the Clickbank marketplace are sometimes considered what we call a gray hat. So gray hat is basically in the middle of white hat and black hat. And what white hat is essentially just day-to-day products, right? So think of like clothes, shoes, jewelry, kitchen appliances, whatever, right? Just something you might go to the store and buy, something that's just super compliant with the Facebook ad policies. Now, on the other side of the spectrum is black hat, things like gambling, right? Or crypto, things of that nature. And like I mentioned, a lot of the Clickbank offers kind of fall in the middle where they're not, completely against the Facebook ad policies, but they're not 100% compliant also. And that largely has to do with how you market the product. So a lot of the gray hat products that we think of are typically, supplements or info products or products that kind of have to do with making money online. All of that kind of falls into the gray hat category because of the claims associated with some of these products. So for example, if you're promoting a weight loss offer, you can't just go on Facebook and say, hey, you're gonna lose 30 pounds in 2 weeks, right? A claim like that would be 100% against Facebook ad policy, and we don't want to do that. So knowing that Clickbank products are considered gray hat, they're not all the way compliant with the Facebook policies, and knowing that the Facebook banning algorithm is very sensitive, you have to come up with solutions to overcome some of these challenges. So there are a couple of things that I like to do to make sure that I limit the risk of getting my ad accounts banned, and so that I can promote Clickbank products in the long run.
How do you plan to accomplish it?
So the first thing you want to do is always warm up your ad account. So if you start a fresh ad account, make sure that you at least get some money behind it, put some money into page post ads or page like ads, just to start building some trust with Facebook on your ad account. Most of the times you might see a new Facebook media buyer just hop on an ad account and just start pushing a ton of budget towards their conversion ads, which are the ads that tend to bring in sales, right? And what I'm saying is you don't want to do this right away because that looks somewhat suspicious in the eyes of the Facebook banning algorithm. I like to have a warm-up period where, like I said, I'll launch a few engagement ads, get around $100 worth of spend on my ad account before I go ahead and launch the conversion ads that generate a sale. The second thing you want to do is use an aged Facebook fan page. A lot of the times I see beginners create a brand new fan page and use that to start promoting Clickbank products, which can work. And I've personally done that in the past. I would recommend to either make a page, post on it for a while, give it, a couple of weeks, even a month or so. Okay. And again, this is just to build that trust with Facebook because you got to think about it like this, right? Facebook sees a brand new ad account appear, a brand new page, right? It's driving traffic to a brand new domain that it hasn't recognized in the system at all. So all of that raises flags with Facebook, which could lead you to getting your pages, profiles, ad accounts all banned. Now, there are other ways to get aged pages, which I talk about in my private Discord community, and I do have resources for that. So if you're interested in getting some of that information and some of those resources, check out the Discord link in the description below. The next thing you should consider when running Facebook ads in order to not get banned is your payment method that you're linking on your ad accounts. It's important to keep this in mind because what will happen is you might get an ad account banned. Payment method, the credit card or PayPal account that you link to that ad account, now it's associated with the banned ad account. So you don't want to go ahead and use that same credit card number, a new ad account, because Facebook will now link your new ad account to your banned one and will get your another new one banned. If you have the option to get different credit card numbers, or you have a different credit line that you can use that first. There are other options as well. One I like to recommend is the credit card, the American Express Business Gold Card. It allows you to get up to 99 employee card numbers that you can use on different ad accounts. And it's also a charge card, so you don't have a limit necessarily on what you can spend, right? As long as you're paying down the balance. And the other option would be to get a virtual card numbers. These are hit or miss depending on what service you end up using. There are a bunch that don't work, frankly, and might get your account banned as well. So definitely do your research on that. Now, finally, if you have the resources, I would recommend to kind of just avoid all this stuff and just go get an agency ad account. An agency ad account is essentially ad accounts that are rented out by Facebook to different vendors. You need to have a certain connection with Facebook to get these accounts. But the thing is, these vendors usually rent these ad accounts out to anybody, really, right? So you would need a connection to get agency ad accounts. And the benefit of some of these ad accounts is that, one, you can scale a lot more aggressively. If you get anything rejected or you get the ad account banned, appealing it is a much more straightforward process, and it's usually done through the vendor, and they're usually good about getting your accounts back. The other thing is you can launch as many ads as you want without really having to worry about, the whole Facebook trust thing, right? So if you have the connections, if you have the resources, get a Facebook agency ad account. And if you don't, again, check out my Discord. I do offer that as a service where I connect you with the agency ad account that I use. So definitely check that out. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you found some value in this, please hit that like button, subscribe. I post all about Clickbank affiliate, Facebook ads, and I will see you guys in the next video.